Okay, we need to start this video where we just start the vehicle and just like rev it up a little bit, okay? If you have a C6 Corvette and you're trying to upgrade your taillights, the only option I could recommend are the Morimoto XB tails. And this right here are the all-new Generation 2. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about them, what's different from Generation 1, and then I'm going to show you how to install it. Let's get rolling. Why would you even want to upgrade your taillights in the first place? Well, obviously the first one is style. You need style points because right now your original taillights are hideous. They use an incandescent bulb. When you hit your turn signal, it's a slow on, slow off, and they do not have a reverse light feature. The reverse lights on your C6 Corvette right now are way down here, and they are terrible. They are hardly on when you're going in reverse. You can't see what you're doing, and other people can't see you, which makes you ultimately less safe when you're backing up. The Generation 2, the biggest difference between Generation 1 is that these taillights have an integrated reverse light. So all four of these are going to also light up as your reverse light, giving you a much better light output when you're backing up. So not only are these more stylish, but they're also functional. So right off the bat, if you're going to buy the XB tails, what do you need to know? Well, there's two different lens colors. You got a red lens like this, which looks really good on this red car, and then you've got a smoked lens, which I think ultimately will be the most popular choice for everybody with a C6. But when you turn these lights on, that's Morimoto's party piece. Look at how much brighter these are compared to your original lights. When you look at the tails, you'll notice this optical light pipe that's all the way around the rim of this XB tail. It is extremely bright, but when you hit the brakes, it gets even brighter. This is intense. If you hit the turn signal, it looks like this. This turn signal is an instant on and instant off because it's completely LED. There are no bulbs to replace at all when it comes to these taillights. When you compare this turn signal to your original turn signals, you'll understand what I'm talking about. Your incandescent bulb is a slow on, slow off, and it's not very bright. Now watch as we hit reverse. The reverse light output out of these Morimoto XB taillights are the single-handedly most bright reverse light I have seen out of any Morimoto taillight ever. These are extremely bright. It's hard to tell on camera just how bright these are. We had to turn down the settings so they're not just blowing out the cameras. That's not actually a joke. I'd show you backing up to the wall here, but as you can see with your original taillights, you could hardly see what we were doing at all. Throwing in these XB tails, you can see the dramatic change. Now that you've decided that these taillights are right for you and you're definitely going to put these on your C6, what about the install? Guys, it is the easiest install as well. It is one T15 Torx screw, and then we do have one more wiring because we have to jump that reverse light wiring into all four of these lights, but it's really easy. Let me show you how. Go to the back of your vehicle and locate the screw at the top side of the taillight. You'll notice the one T15 Torx screw. Remove that from the top of the housing that secures it to the car. Tilt the top of the assembly away from the car and pull out the housing. And then just disconnect the factory wiring from the back side of that taillight. Do the exact same thing for the other three. Now on the far right side, when you're looking at the back of your car, reach into the taillight and find this original harness. This is the main rear lighting harness. It's an 8-pin connector located behind the bumper on the passenger side. Now take the included wiring and connect the two male and female connections to this original harness. It only goes in one way, so you really can't mess this up. Route the two short ends of the reverse light harness to each of the taillight housing openings on the passenger side. Then route the long end of the harness behind the bumper to each of the taillight housing openings on the driver's side. Connect the taillight plug and reverse harness plug to the new taillight assembly. When installing the XB tails, just note that there are left hand and right hand so you don't get this wrong. Insert the bottom of the housing into the taillight opening, ensuring that the two tabs on the light hook into the bumper notches. Firmly press the top of the housing back into the car until it pops into place, and then re-secure the light using the T15 Torx screw you originally took out. Do the same thing for the other three taillights and you're done. That's all it takes to get these installed. So here's my apology to all my friends who purchased the first generation XB tails. you have to get these ones. They are so much better than the originals. The reverse light feature does make it or break it. This is the only option you should ever choose when you are upgrading the taillights on your Corvette. Now, remember we did that video about last year where we went from front to back on this vehicle, finding the best aftermarket lights. Be sure to check that out. We love Corvettes here at Headlight Revolution, and we've done a lot of testing for you guys. We'll see you on the next one.